Welcome to CloutHaus. CloutHaus is the latest hot launching project that is just 50 meters away from Petronas Twin Towers. This is a mixed development sitting on 2.259 acres of freehold land. CloutHaus, power and influence encapsulated in a name, an enclave for the forward thinkers, innovators and game changers of a generation. CloutHaus Residence, Paradox Private Residence and Paradox Hotel all can enjoy the exclusive 5-star hotel service from Paradox Hotel. This is a global hospitality brand that's originated in Vancouver, Canada, and CloutHaus will be the first station of Paradox in Malaysia. Currently, I'm at the site location and you can see on my right hand side is a CloutHaus Residence and on my left hand side is a Petronas Twin Tower, the main entrance of Suria KLCC, and you can see the distance just so close, it's only 50 meters away. As the capital's next architectural masterpiece and premium development, CloutHaus is set to join the rank of the world's most iconic buildings. Two slender towers stand majestically above a common podium, their sleek profile mirroring the pulse of the city below. And this is the CloutHaus Residence. Has total 66 levels, come with 615 units, and this will be our Paradox Private Residence and Paradox Hotel, total 58 levels, and currently we are marketing the CloutHaus Residence. This is 102 square meters of units, so once entering, this is your foyer area. It's a 9 feet times 6 feet of area. What behind of me is your shoes cabinets, and once entering, your room will be divided into two studios, left studio and right studio. So let us go to the left studio. And this part will be your kitchen area and your storage area. And for these kitchen cabinets are fully fitted, and we will provide you the hood and hob and also microwave with a Gaggenau brand. And come to here is your storage area. And next to it will be your fridge. You can see the fridge are all designed together with the cabinets. And next to it is your laundry area. And what behind me is your toilet. The tiles will be fully fitted and all the things will be given, like the WC is a Laufen brand, and for the shower head and also basin tap is a Jacuzzi brand. And next to it will be enter to your room. So before we enter into the room, this part will be your wardrobe area, your dining area, and after opening this door, will be your room. So the size of the studio will be 14 feet wide. It's the same for both studios. So now let me bring you go to the next studio. This is another side of the studio. Just a different color tone. The things given are the same, like the Gaggenau brand of hood and hob, and microwave, and also the storage area. And here is your toilets. It's your bathroom. The things given and the brand given are the same. And you can see the layout for both studios is exactly the same size. And this is the size of the units.